United 1-2, wind 23 degrees 8 knots, runway 16, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 16, United 1-2.
So hello, this is 5 Papa Golf, watch for 2 Juliet.
Hello, this is 5 for Golf, taxi Juliet, cross runway 28, contact apron 121.755, how do you?
Juliet, cross 28, 121.755, how do you? This is 5 Papa Golf.
So Juliet, taxi, target 12 behind their Baltic on the runway line up, runway 28, and wait behind.
Then the Baltic on runway line up 28, wait behind, is 3 Delta X-ray, good to go.
So Juliet, taxi, departure in around 6 minutes.
United 1-2 is rejecting the takeoff, runway 16.
United 1-2, roger.
Zurich Tower, Hotel Bravo, Zulu Mike, Lima.
Stand by.
Zurich Tower, Hotel Bravo, Zulu Mike, Lima.
Hotel Bravo, Zulu Mike, Lima, tower, stay outside LSZH emergency in progress.
Roger.
And United 1-6 is remaining on the runway for now, stand by.
United 1-2, roger, rescue services are on the way.
United 1-2. And Tower, United 1-2, we're able to clear the runway, but we would like to go and hold somewhere to run our checklist.
United 1-2, roger, stand by, short.
Okay.
And United 1-2, for information, hold position, rescue services are on the way now.
Okay, hold position, United 1-2.
United 1-2, confirm normal operation.
Okay, United 1-2, if they could just, the emergency crew can check brakes just to make sure there's no fire. Otherwise, we are normal operations.
Roger, United 1-2, stand by. United 1-2, shut down both engines and report when that's completed.
And United 1-2, would you like us to clear the runway before shutting down the runway, the engines?
Negative, United 1-2, hold position and shut down the engines now, and then report when that's completed.
Okay, we are starting the APU and we will shut down momentarily. 1-2.
Thank you. And this is 154, hold position is going to be some delay. I'll call you back as soon as I have more info. This is 50 Mike as well, hold position on the runway, it's going to be a couple of minutes of delay.
Hold position, 3 Mike.
And Tower, United 1-2, engines are shut down.
United 1-2, thank you. United 1-2.
United 1-2, go ahead.
For information, the fire brigade is cooling the brakes at the moment.
Okay, thank you very much.
Swiss 3 Delta X-ray, wind 240 degrees 7 knots, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Runway 28, clear takeoff, Swiss 3 Delta X-ray.
United 1-2.
United 1-2, go ahead.
So the fire services just informed me that you are going to have to disembark on the runway.
Okay, is there a reason why?
United 1-2, the safety of the aircraft is good, but the high temperature fuses are not good anymore.
Okay, are they able to tow us clear of the runway while the brakes cool?
Stand by short. So United 1-2, there's three tires that are deflated.
Okay, thank you.
Sun Express 8 X-ray Lima, wind 240 degrees 8 knots, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 28, Sun Express 8 X-ray Lima.
And United 1-2, just to confirm as well, the fire brigade informed us that the situation is under control, but you will have to then later on get off the runway here.
Okay, say again for United 1-2.
Just to confirm, the fire brigade informed us that the situation is under control, but then later on you will have to get the passengers off here.
Okay, yes. Can we set the parking brake and then we will get ready for disembarkment?
United 1-2, affirm you can set the parking brake. I call you back as soon as I have further information.
Okay, United 1-2, parking brake is set and we'll stand by for further.
United 1-2, just for your information, I just spoke to the responsible incident manager. There are 3 out of 4 tires are flat currently. They expect the number 4 tire as well to become flat soon. The situation is under control. Aircraft is safe according to fire brigade, and we are now organizing a passenger and normal passenger disembarkation on the runway. So just stand by here, and we are organizing everything around it. Aircraft is safe, and their fire brigade is having the situation under control.
Okay, United 1-2, we understand 3 out of 4 flat, possibly another aircraft is safe and under control, passenger normal. We will deplane on the runway and we will wait for your further instructions.
Correct. Ground handling will be organized for you on the runway. Just give us 5 to 10 minutes time to organize everything, but everything is under control. Thanks for cooperation.
Okay, 5 to 10 minutes, sounds good. Thank you, United 1-2.